It's New Year's Eve. Farmer Mike, live from the big farm. And thought I'd walk over here and check out the bees. Give you a quick bee update. Let's look at this field right down here. And it's been brush hogged and plowed a bit. And so look at that soil right there. Okay. All right. So we probably need to soil test this field here really quickly. Although this field has been amazing over the years. Great watermelons came out this field. In fact, 2 years ago, check out that epic YouTube video we did right here in this very field. Don't forget to stop by our world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Over 400 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. I told myself that 2025 we're going to double it, so I'm going to give you 800 videos next year. So be looking for that. Yes, 800 videos. Follow the journey. It's going to be amazing. Free educational videos showing you how to thrive, survive, stay out of the hive, become self-sufficient, grow your own food, and raise your own bees. So this is my first year as a beekeeper, and I wouldn't call myself a professional yet, but I've learned a lot. And of course, failure is the process. And so I'm going to go here and I'm going to check up on these hives without any gloves, any mask, anything like that. So I'm looking around. The first step is to observe, okay? So we're going to observe, and what I'm looking for is making sure that no animals or anything have gotten in, and then making sure that the hive isn't tipped over, looking for anything out of the ordinary. And normally I wouldn't do this. I could get stung 1,000 times on my face. And you would probably laugh. Thumbs up in the comment section if you would laugh by Farmer Mike going out foolishly into a beehive with absolutely no gear on, you know. But there's one thing in life is you have to learn to be fearless. So if you're fearless, leave me a thumbs up in the comment section if you're fearless. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to these hives, and I'm just going to open it up and see if the bees are, see how they're doing in there. See if I can hear anything, see anything. Now, in theory, since it's pretty cold out here, maybe 39 degrees, in theory, the bees should be in the very bottom box, all huddled up in a ball, keeping warm. But they could swarm me. I could get stung 1,000 times and die, and this would go viral. And they would teach it in school as what not to do, right? You gotta love the process, you know, because failure is the process, right? So, but you know, I'm gonna go over here, and I do have my backup. Farmer Elijah is in the car, and hopefully he can get to me and give me the shot before it's too late. So I'm gonna be really quiet as I approach this hive right here. Don't forget to stop by our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. I'm gonna go in here and do a quick checkup on the bees. So let's go. Let's go in here. What we got? See what we got. Looking good. got some sugar water solution. I don't think they need it yet. I need to cut We had a problem with the Varroa mites, so I'm going to come down here with a chainsaw and cut all this. I don't think we're getting enough sun, but it's looking good for today, and that is how you do it. That's how you become fearless. And so we're checking on them. It looks good. Did you see the bees in there? If you saw the bees in there, if you heard the bees doing what bees do, let me know in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up. Ha! Who would have thought Farmer Mike could do that without any type of gloves and not get stung? It was amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And what is that? Uh-oh. I think one. Oh, no!